All right, guys. So as you know, I bought me a Tesla, and of course, it was used when I bought it. And the person that owned it before I did had curbed the tires and scuffed the heck out of the rims. Well, if you have a Tesla and you have curbed your rim, or same thing as me, and somebody else curbed your rim, I got exactly what you need. Now, when I bought this car, somebody had already curbed it a couple times. As you can see, it got curbed pretty daggone good. But as you can see, when you get right there, see where it's curved, well, this right here, guys. I know it says Ford, but this stuff is amazing, and I'll show you it in action. Let me pull my car up a little bit so that the scuff is upper, on top of the tire. All right, so I pulled it up a little bit. So there you go. And that's what it looks like after. Now, yes, you can still see kind of like scuffs, but when you're back here, you don't see anything. So if you have scuffed rims on your Tesla, I'm telling you right now, guys, this stuff right here is the thing to get. I know it says Ford, dark shadowed gray. All right, Ford XC, dark shadowed gray. Now it says it's an AFM 3060. I'm sorry, it's not wanting to focus, guys. I'll get it. I'll show you a better picture of it. But if you have scuffed rims, this is what to go for.